This is the touch screen of the minus 150. When we get this freezer, we need to turn on the button here and then press the on button for 5 seconds. It will turn on. And then here is the running status. Now it is stop, and after we press the on button for 5 seconds, it will be working. Here is the status also. It will show us how long time it has working. And here is the alarm record. We can check. And here is temperature curve. Temperature curve here we can check the time, and like this it has the curve and table, and the curve here it will be like this, and back is everything will be back, and curve there, and here is a table. It is like this to show the temperature records. And from here we can change the record temperature, record interval. Here, when we check the curve, we could change the interval from minutes to hour. You can see. And when we download the data, we need to choose a day, and then put the USB here, use sticker here, and after all download finished, it will like D to remind you the download has been finished. This is the emergency stop. Here it is.